Dr. Amit Kotecha here at Care Dental Leicester, Centre for Aesthetic and Restorative Excellence. We're part of the Unique Implant Training family along with 3 other practices. So we have national coverage covering London, Leicester, Leeds and Cheshire. Now, the most amazing thing that we think about Unique Implant Training is the fact that you have 4 tutors, not just the one, with a combined experience level of almost 60 plus years of implant dentistry. So between the 4 tutors, you will get 4 perspectives to the same answer. And we think that's pretty priceless because it means that in effect, you're going to get a wealth of knowledge from different perspectives. The course in itself is a postgraduate certificate course and a postgraduate diploma course, and we are EduQual accredited at level 7. More importantly, we are working with the Royal College of Surgeons, and also we are working with various universities with regards to getting accredited to become a master's program. So why do we feel that 4 tutors are better than 1? A lot of courses you go to, you will get the perspective from the person teaching the course. Whereas if you look at our 4 tutors, you've got myself as a specialist oral surgeon, so you'll get a lot of oral surgery experience from somebody like myself. You've then got Dr. Savan Zala, who is a wet-fingered implant dentist that has a master's in implantology. He will give you perspective on the fact that he has worked solely within implant dentistry for the last 10 years. So he doesn't do any general dentistry at all. You then have Reza, Faridrad, who is a highly experienced surgeon. He's had a lot of maxillofacial surgery training, so when it comes to advanced techniques, advanced procedures, Reza is definitely one of the best teachers out there. And then finally, you have Dr. Aman, Bharti, who is a world-leading authority on BOPT and the aesthetic restorative elements. So combined between the 4 of us, you won't just get one answer to the problem, you will actually get 4 perspectives to the same problem. And we think that's a pretty priceless situation. And that's in effect why we called ourselves Unique Implant Training, because you're not just getting a single perspective, you are getting that from 4 different people. We hope to welcome you to Unique Implant Training very soon. The CBCT room, and here where preoperatively we can get our CBCT scans. More importantly, intra and post-operatively, if the need is ever there, then we have the facilities on site. We can take scans, we can interpret them, we can teach you guys how to interpret them, and everything is done within the same site, so there is no inconvenience to your patients or in effect yourselves. Here we have one of the 3 surgeries at Care Dental where in effect live surgery is performed. Obviously the surgeries are draped down and prepped accordingly. Patients have the nice facility of being able to watch one of their favourite shows whilst having the procedure done. So in effect this is where we perform live surgery, live restorative, and in effect all our students will have access to this facility to be able to bring their patients to accordingly. So this is the conference room at Unique Implant Training. This is where small groups of 10 delegates are taught all the academic days. We do a lot of hands-on practicing on plastic mandibles and all the restorative components to teach you exactly the systems and management for implant dentistry. It's a very warm, friendly environment in here. Delegates are very comfortable to be able to interrupt and ask questions as we're going through the various modules, and that's exactly how we like it. And the beauty again is you don't get one answer, you get 4 perspectives to the same answer. And again, we feel that is a very strong advantage to training with Unique Implant Training. We hope to welcome you all on board very soon.